Hello again, everybody. My name is Emily Norris with ebnmusic.com. I teach piano and voice lessons to young beginners, and I help parents give them the tools they need to help their child learn music. If you're looking to begin piano lessons soon, be sure to check out the link below. I've provided a free document with links and everything to the 5 most important things you're going to need to start piano lessons. So if you're interested in that, check that out. Today we are continuing our celebration of this guy, Mr. Bass Clef. If you missed my video from a couple of weeks ago, I gave a brief overview of bass clef, so be sure that you check it out here. In today's video, we're going to put Mr. Bass Clef into action. We're going to learn some bass lines to some popular songs. Now, this is by no means an extensive list. I know I left out a lot of popular ones. So if there is a song that I did not do here and you want to hear, be sure to comment on this video and let me know. Because if you want a part 2, I'll do it. So you can let me know in the comments what song you love that I forgot, and you can also let me know which one of these that we're gonna learn is your favorite. Okay, sound fun? Let's go. All right, let's start off with a classic from Queen, Under Pressure, or it's also the same bass line as Ice Ice Baby by Vanilla Ice. It's a really simple bass line in the key of D major, so without further ado, let's do it. Okay, so on your piano, here is Under Pressure. It's written in the key of D, so we are going to start with D. Actually, when you're first starting, let's use both hands. We're going to put one finger on D. D is in the doghouse between the 2 black keys, and this finger is on A, which is in between these last 2 black keys in the group of 3. Go. So this might be hard initially to do the bum 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 ba da dun dun, but you'll get it nice and relaxed. Let's do that again. There you go. Okay, I moved my camera over just a little bit because you know that little piano part that is a little bit higher than the rest of it. So when you're brave and want to try the bass part with just the left hand. So in the right hand, be sure your thumb is on D, and then forefinger is on G. And then that second time, you play the pinky on A. There you go. Pressure, pushing down on me, pressing down on you. No man asked for under pressure. I didn't get the melody exactly right, but you get it. Let's do another one by Queen. Another One Bites the Dust. This is another really popular one. This one's in the key of F minor. And so let's go. Here's how we play the bass line. All right, at your piano, we're in the key of F. It starts on F2. Let's try this one just all with the left hand. So it's F minor, so we're gonna use some black keys here. There you go. So it's only 3 notes. F, 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 A flat, F, B flat. So it goes back to F each time. You kind of have to make a big, quick movement there. And if you want to learn a second part of it, the part that goes, and another one gone, and another one gone, like that. So now you're using almost the whole F minor scale, everything but the G. The G comes later in the melody. So you've got and another one gone, and another one gone. So you can also do the beats there. Hey, gonna get you to another one bites the dust. So you do use the G on that second part. Okay, so here you go. Let's try that again all the way through. Again. Second part. So you can do a little boom, which is just the F minor 5-note scale, dun 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 dun, and you can do it fast. Steve walks rarely down the street with his brim pulled way down low. Ain't no sound but the sound of his feet. Machine guns ready to go. Are you ready? You get the idea. So have fun playing that one. All right, let's change styles a little bit and let's do a little Earth, Wind, and Fire. This one is Let's Groove. This one's in the key of E minor. It has the same 3 chords throughout the song, with the only exception being the bridge in the middle. So here we go, let's learn the bass line. Okay, so Let's Groove by Earth, Wind, and Fire. We're in the key of E minor, so guess what note we're starting on? E. Again, if it helps you to use 2 hands, that is totally fine. So if you want to do like maybe these 2 fingers and do... Let's groove tonight, share the spice of life. You get the idea. Baby, slice it right. We're gonna groove tonight. Let's groove tonight, share the spice of life. Maybe slice it right. We're gonna groove tonight. Yeah, there you go. So have fun playing that one. Okay, let's go to a little Beatles. This one is Come Together. Super simple. We're in the key of D major for this one, and there's only just a couple of notes that we're playing. So here we go. All right, so that bass part on Come Together by the Beatles, I do suggest using 2 hands for this one because you're gonna start on a low D, and the second note, or actually, no, the second note is a G, which is higher. So you've got the, so it's the, here come off flat top, he come, grooving up slowly, he got juju eyeball, he won, holy roller, he got, you got the idea. And then in the chorus, so this is a little bonus, in the chorus you're gonna play a B, come together right now over me. So you're playing B, A, G, A, and then back to the main part. Okay, if you want, this is the first song so far. We're going to do a little challenge. If you want to add chords in the right hand when you do the chorus. So you've got a B minor, A, G, A. All right, so again, your B minor is B minor. Your A is A, C sharp, E. Your G chord. And then the A chord. And if you are not comfortable using that middle note, just use the 1 and the 5. So you've got... So there you go. We'll try it both ways. Okay, so you've got come together right now over me. There you go. And then if we're just using the 1 and 5, come together right now over me. There you go. All right, guys, over halfway through, we're gonna fast forward to the early 2000s. Let's do a little White Stripes, 7 Nation Army. You actually might not know how the song goes, but you definitely know the bass line. All right, 7 Nation Army by White Stripes. We're getting into the earlier music now. We're getting into the 2000s here. Okay, so yep, we're in E minor. So we're gonna start here. I'll use 2 hands. So I'm starting on this E. You can start on the lower E, but my camera just happens to be right here, so I'll keep it right here. So notice that we're just skipping the F and we're playing all the rest of the notes down to the B. If you want to do it with one hand. There you go, this is a fun one. You play this one and most everybody will know what you're playing. Okay, on this one we can do bonus chords as well in the right hand. So you've got E minor, then we're going to come down to G here, G, then you've got C, And B is a little trickier because you got to play 2 black keys. So your B, like that. Bum, 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 bum. And you can add the left hand when you are comfortable with the movements. Oh, my thumbs do share G at some point when doing it this way. But you know how chords work. You can just come up to this G if you want to. We can try that. Let's try coming up to that G. Let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, there we go. And then if I come to the lower G chord, yeah. You can also, we talked about this one in a previous video I did about Christmas music. You can invert the chords if you want to. So in the right hand, so you can watch my previous video on chord inversions. I won't go through it here, but because really we're all about the bass line, right? There you go. Have fun with that one. I like that chord progression's really nice. Yeah, that's a great one. Have fun with that one. All right, 2 more left. Let's do the Gorillaz Feel Good Inc. This one's a little more complicated in the key of E flat minor, but still great nonetheless. All right, we're still in the 2000s. Feel Good Inc. by Gorillaz. It's in a strange key. It's in the key of E flat minor. So E flat's gonna be our first one. So this involves a few black keys here. I'd recommend when you're first starting, let's use 2 hands here. We can use like 3, 2, and then maybe these guys can be here. But in order for you to see my hands, so I'll kind of spread them out a little bit so you can see the notes. So it's a lot of skip. You got some skips in there. This one's a little more complicated as far as the rhythm and as far as all the skips and intervals. So I'll do it again. We won't do right hand on this one, but if you're interested in learning some right hand chords, let me know. I'm happy to help you out with that. For now, we'll just do the bass part on this one. It's a cool one. All right, last one, guys. This is a newer one by Dua Lipa, Break My Heart. When I first heard this song, I actually thought the bass line was the same as Another One Bites the Dust, a little bit. And then I heard a little bit of In Excess, Need You Tonight. So let me know if you hear the same bass lines. I feel like it's kind of a combination of the two. It is a little different. It's not that she stole it or anything, but it's like really similar, and it made me think that way at first. Okay, so yeah, Break My Heart by Dua Lipa. To me, when I heard it, it sort of sounds like the beginning of Another One Bites the Dust. Like that. Her notes are much different, but the rhythm is similar. Like that. It also sounds like In Excess, Need You Tonight. So here's a little snippet of that. So anyway, I just thought that was an interesting comparison. And then let's try it with one hand. There you go. I did a little quick D right here just because her rhythm is a little bit faster there. So there you go. The idea, keep your wrist really loose when you do it. Okay, I like the right hand with this one, so I wanted to play a little bit for you here. And I can kind of talk about what my right hand's doing because I think it adds a lot to this song. I would have stayed at home because I was doing better alone. But when you said hello, I knew it was the end of it all. So you've got an E minor. So what I did, we've talked about chords before and inverted, and I mentioned another video that you can watch. For now, you can just follow my hand. So what I'm doing is an inverted E minor. I would have stayed at home. And then an inverted G minor, G major. And the only one you change is this middle note. 'Cause I was doing better alone. So you've got an E minor, G major, D major inverted, and then back to E minor. I would have stayed at home, 'cause I was doing better alone. But when you said, then you've got a C major, said hello, I knew. So then you've got a B major, knew it was the end of it all. So you've got the B major, D major inverted, E minor. This is definitely the more complicated one, so slow this video down if you want to learn it. And then, of course, add in the left hand just a tiny bit at a time. Go super slow. I would have stayed at home, 'cause I was doing better alone. But when you said hello, I knew it was the end of it all. I would have stayed at home, 'cause I was doing better alone. But when you said hello, I knew it was the end of it all. I like that chord progression too. So fun. Let me know how it goes. Did you try these at home? Please let me know. When you start learning bass lines, you start to see patterns in the songs and in kind of like the math of pop music. You can even pick out bass parts on your own as long as you know what key it's in. You're just using those notes in the scale to pick out the bass part. And there's so many resources online to figure out how to do it. And it's just really fun. You know, I enjoy it. Let me know if you do too. As always, please drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions. Which one was your favorite song? What songs do you want to hear next? Let me know. Goodbye, everybody. I'll see you next time. There's my bass line. There you go. Goodbye, everybody. See you next time.